Hello, my prim friends. You might recognize this area. I am back at my parents' home, and I thought I would do a little project with you here and show you what we can do with cabinets for not a huge expense. So I know my mom had talked about possibly having her cabinets painted, but they're beautiful cabinets, and there's just really no need to have them painted. The dishwasher is on at the moment. I'm hoping that you're not hearing all of that right now. But we decided that we would try a real change here, or to show how much of a change we can make simply by changing out the knobs. So hang on and stick with me, and we'll see what kind of a difference this makes, putting a little effort into changing out all of these knobs. We'll see you in a few minutes. Hello, Prim friends. Editing Gabriella here. I just wanted to kind of mention the process that we went through. So the knobs that we ordered had screws with them, but your cabinet doors and drawers might be a little bit different, either thicker or thinner. So in our situation, we realized that on the doors, the new screws worked perfectly fine. However, we needed to include a very thin washer in all of the drawers so that there was the length of the screw was the right length. So we, on the first day, just ended up taking all of the knobs off and screws everywhere, and you can see wardrobe change here. With the very small thin washers, we were able to go back then and replace all of the knobs with the new knobs. It was quite a workout, I'll tell you. And I had done quite a bit of research, and these knobs are nice and heavy. They have a really nice hand feel to them, and I was really happy with how they felt on the cabinets at the Cape. And when my mom mentioned that she was interested in changing out the knobs to get a new and refreshed look in the cabinets that they had, it was just the perfect choice. They're sort of the shaker look, and really do update the cabinets. Hello, Prim friends. We are finished. So here are these cabinets, all done with these brand new knobs. And let me tell you, that was quite a project. I think between here and the vanities in the master bathroom and the laundry room, it's close to 80 knobs. So even though it's 80 knobs, it's still a great change in the room. It really updates it for probably the least amount that you could spend on a kitchen update. So if you think about it and you want to do something different, you can check the link in the description box. I will have a link there for some knobs. If not exactly like these, I will link to ones that are as close to these as I possibly can. But if you see this little appliance cupboard here, has these little wooden, looks like shaker knobs on it, and these are just a really neat little accent. They're a bronze metal knob, sort of a mushroom style on the front there. So I am also doing a quick shout out that today is my mom and dad's 59th wedding anniversary. And I am here to tell you today, they are a wonderful example of what a marriage should be. So take care, everybody. Check out that link in the description, and we will hopefully see you in the next one.